Welcome everyone to Dr. Abu's coaching classes. In today's session, we are going to dive straight into some essential practice. We will be solving questions from the CBSE 2025 main paper to give you a clear idea of the expected pattern, difficulty level and key concepts. This is CBSE 2025 main paper code 5561 question number 19. A laser beam of frequency 3 into 10 raised to 15 Hz produces average power of 9 milliwatt. Find the energy of photon of the beam and the number of photons emitted per second on an average by the source. What we want to do is we want to find number 1 energy of the photon, number 2 average number of photons emitted per second. Let's start with the given data. Here the frequency is given, nu is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 14 Hertz. And we know that one relation for the energy E is equal to h nu. So where h is equal to Planck's constant. Even you are not memorized that value, no problem. This data will be given in the first page of the question paper. Okay. So E is equal to h nu is equal to h value substitute now 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 34 into the frequency given here 3 into 10 raised to 14. Okay. So 6.63 into 3 is 19.9 into, you know that the exponents addition, right? 10 raised to minus 34 plus 14 will come because the base multiplication here. So 10 raised to minus 20. So write in standard form now. So 1.99 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. Okay, this is the energy. Now there is one more part, right? We have to do the second part also. That is the number of photons emitted per second. Okay, here the average number of photons emitted is equal to per second value. Okay, that is n is equal to P divided by E. Actual relation we practice always P is equal to NE. So n is equal to P by E. Then substitute the value 9 milliwatt divided by 1.99 into 10 raised to minus 19. We have to write in standard form. So 9 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 1.99 into 10 raised to minus 19. Now take the 10 power to the numerator. So 9 by 1.99, we can take the denominator approximately 2, right? So 9 by 2 is easy to estimate. 10 raised to minus 3 plus, because coming from denominator 10 raised to minus 19 will become 10 raised to plus 19. Okay, this will be equal to 10 raised to plus 16 and the answer will be 4.5 into 10 raised to plus 16. This is a number. Never get a negative number. Okay. Now see the answer key. The mark 2 mark is distributed here 1 and 1. Again that 1 mark is given for half. So for the expression there is a half mark and for substituting the value there is another half mark. Okay. Now this is the practice time. The next question for practice. A laser beam of frequency 5 into 10 raised to 14 Hz produces an average power of 12 milliwatt. Find the same data, that is the energy of the photon of the beam. Then second one, the number of photons emitted per second on an average by the source. So this one you have to practice it. Actually you want to pause here at this point, then you do yourself, and after getting the answer you just resume the video. So how to do is write down what is given, that is frequency is given 5 into 10 raised to 14. So power is also given 12 milliwatt. So 12 into 10 raised to minus 3 watt. Planck's constant 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 34. Now this is the time to substitute the values. For the first sub question, energy E is equal to h nu. So start substituting 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 34 h value over, then into 5 into 10 raised to 40, that is the frequency value. So do the multiplication for 5 into 6.63, you will get 33.15, okay, into 10 raised to minus 34 plus 14. So 10 power will be minus 20. This is not in standard form. You can write in standard form also. 3.315 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule you can write. And when it comes to the second part, the number of photons emitted, in the previous question I said you, total power will be equal to number of photons emitted into energy of photon. So N is equal to cross multiply P divided by E. So here the power is 12, right, in terms of SI unit. So 12 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 33.15 into 10 raised to minus 20. Just now we calculated, right? So divide now. 12 divided by 33.15 into 10 raised to minus 3 plus 20. So you will get the answer. 10 power will be plus 17. And here adjust the 10 power because it is decimal point will be the answer. Okay. The next class will be discussing about this question, a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. You can see that one. Okay. If you like this video, please like,